very excited for today's video. I have something very special and hopefully you guys are also excited for today's video. A little story time before we start. I've always been wanting to buy from Miji Wu in the longest time. They don't have international shipping, so I had to do some research on how to order from there. By the way, I live in Norway, so it's pretty far away from Korea. But the reason I never got to order was because obviously there's these extra fees you have to pay. The clothing themselves can be very affordable, but then if you pay extra for like the international shipping, then obviously it's gonna be pretty expensive. So I've been saving up money and waited for like the right moment to order. I've been through some other websites and they basically left me on red. They just forgot about my order, and when I remember about it again, the items I wanted was sold out. So that was very bad service and I was about to give up until KoreaBuyandShip contacted me. Let me just show you exactly how to order through their website. Obviously, I will link the website down below in the description box. This is the first thing you see. You can chat with them through Messenger. If you go into their homepage, then I think that's a good start. And also you get $10 off discount for your first order. So that's good. And yeah, there's some advertisement or recommendations of website you can order from. All of these are placed in Korea. They have Reverse, they have Miji Wu, obviously, and many other websites. I am pretty sure you can order it through any website you want in Korea, any Korean store you want. They will ship for you. A lot of K-pop merch here, but so actually through this website I discovered this brand, Chu, and I've never heard of her before I went into KoreaBuyandShip's website and they recommended this to me. And when I saw this skirt, I fell in love. I was like, this is the exact skirt I've been looking for. So I was so happy that they recommended this to me. You have no idea how hard it is to find a skirt exactly in that design. And obviously, now I'm gonna show you how to order from Miji Wu. So let's say you have found the item you want. For me, this cardigan that I'm wearing right now, it's this one, but in the color sky blue. And the problem is with a lot of international people is that we don't understand Korean. So what I want you to do is to use Google Chrome. Most people already know this, but if you don't, use Google Chrome. They have this feature, a translation feature. It pops up right here and it translates to English or whatever language that you want. But I translate mine to English and here is all the descriptions in English, so it's easy for you to order. Okay, let's say I want to order this cardigan. I go to KoreaBuyandShip, and if you are unsure of how it works, you can read right there how it works. So submit order. That's where you start ordering. You write in your first name, whatever that is, your last name, your email address, shipping option. Now, this is up to you whether or not you want to pay a little bit extra for fast shipping, or you just want a regular economy shipping, or yeah, other. Doesn't matter. And you have to write down your option, obviously. Currency, that's up to you. Since I live in Norway, I use Norwegian kroners. Payment method, you can use PayPal, TransferWise, whatever. I use PayPal, and this is a new order because you can place more orders or more items after you have already submit other orders. Item name, so this is called cash cropped cardigan. So you write that. And then website link, URL, paste. Options, size and color. So size, if you look at here, color sky blue, and it will pop up like, okay, so I guess this is only one size, but it could be S and then sky blue, or you could just write the color if there is no sizing option. Quantity, I only wanted one cardigan, so one. Order more, yes, I would like to order more, then you add the next item. So let's say I want to order these pants, which I did. Copy that. Again, I don't understand Korean, so I go into Google Chrome, get the description translated so I understand what it says. Item name, it's Sky Rise Slacks. Website URL, paste that. Size and color, so let's see. Color, we have cream and black. I go for cream. Size S, M, and L. I go for S. So S/cream. Quantity 1. Order more, yes or no, it's up to you. But basically you got the idea. So after you have filled in whatever you need to fill, you click submit order, and then it will transfer over to like a little chatting room, and then they will contact you directly and says how much it's gonna cost, etc. And if you ever wonder more, you can always read on their website. They have every information you could possibly need, or just directly contact them through a message if you have any questions. But yes, basically that's how you order. It's super simple, and they are super fast at responding. And by the way, in case you are wondering how fast or how slow it takes for them to ship, for me it took between 2 or 3 weeks for the items to arrive since order. After this process of submitting your order, you also have to wait for your invoice, and then you have to pay your invoice before they can actually start shipping things to you. So it's up to how fast you are as well, but overall I am not disappointed at all. But now that I've shown you how to order, you can continue watching for a little try on haul. Today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below whatever you want. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you are new here, if you want to. That's it for today. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!